What's up, guys? Batman here, and today I'm going to attempt something that I've not attempted before. Right here, I have from Burger King the Angry Whopper, but it's a little different. Instead of a regular Whopper patty, I have a spicy, crispy chicken patty instead. What is an Angry Whopper, you ask? Well, it has the jalapenos, the angry sauce, lettuce, tomato, and all that other happy horse shit. But basically, it's spicy. It's a spicy Whopper, which Batman said, fuck that. A regular spicy Whopper is not hardcore enough for me, so I gotta make it extra spicy. So I got a spicy, crispy chicken patty instead of the regular Whopper patty. So we are going to bust out this bad boy. And what I'm going to attempt is see how fast I can eat it safely without reacting verbally. You know what I'm saying? I can't react verbally to the spice, and I have to eat it as fast as I can safely. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. So let's go ahead and crack open this bad boy real quick and see what we got here. There we go. Oh, this is, damn. Holy shit. Holy shit indeed. Holy shit indeed. I'm not even that hungry, but I'm going to attempt this bad boy. Holy crap. So let's get a counter going. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. There's the jalapenos, you can see, the spicy sauce, all of that. Alexa, can you do a timer?
For how long?
Alexa, how about a stopwatch? Alexa, you're fucking killing me here. Alexa. Alexa, can you do a stopwatch?
I don't know that.
What a bitch. All right, well, I'll have my editor hopefully add a counter. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see how it goes. Here we go. As fast as I can safely. Here we go. Alexa, drum roll, please.
Okay.
My nose is running. That was about 4 minutes. I thought I could do a lot faster than that, but it was about 4 minutes. I'll see if I can add a timer to that, to see the actual accurate time. But it was good. It was really good. Jalapenos, were there. The spicy sauce was there. It had onion strings, like the little fried onion strings. It was pretty damn bomb. If you want it Batman style, when you go to Burger King, order it with the spicy, crispy chicken patty. I know it's a little bit runny. It's a little spicy, but pretty fucking bomb. And what's funny is I wasn't even that hungry, but I wanted to do it because I had the Burger King app. They had a coupon for $3, which is like, and then it's normally like $6.49 or something like that. But it's a good deal. And I'm a cheap ass, despite rumors that I'm a billionaire. I'm not a billionaire. Excuse me. So, make sure you guys download the Burger King app. Go try the Angry Whopper. Pretty freaking good. Pretty freaking good. I liked it a lot. My nose is a little runny now, but it was freaking good. So make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys push the little bell icon to get notifications when I post more videos. And make sure you guys comment down below. Do you think you can beat my time? Damn, my nose is running worse than OJ, That's an old ass joke. But it's a good one. It's a good one. But thank you so much, guys, for checking out my videos. Make sure you guys check out my other videos and subscribe. Click that bell icon. Comment down below if you think you can do better, if you can beat my time. It's about 4 minutes, but I appreciate you guys. And it's been 4 months since I posted, so I'm going to try to post more often on the YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.